Got a little video here to help out those people that are struggling to find information like I was. I did read on E30 Zone and they have some really good instructions, but there is not a good video on it. So I'm going to show you how to remove this aluminum strip that goes on the roof, on the rain gutter, and this door strip as well. Let's go over to the other side and I'll show you what we've got to work with. First thing you're going to need is a wide flat blade screwdriver and a towel or a cloth that you can go underneath the trim with. So this first piece, it just pries directly up, and the first clip is about 1.5 inches in from the door. So you just go under here and slowly start working your way vertically, only vertically on this one, with a rag between it so you don't damage it. But just slowly work your way up on this edge, and if it'll give you a little bit of gap, you can kind of just start working your way down along the edge until it slowly starts to come off the clips. So in my experience, it was easiest to start from the back of the door and work my way to the front, and it will just pull vertically off. To give you an example of what it looks like if you haven't seen one before, it's just a channel, just like that, and the channel just sits in these little clips. So just those clips right there, to put it back on, just drops in like this, and to come off, it comes vertically straight off. So that one, with a little bit of gentle prying, you won't damage the edge whatsoever. Just try to use a cloth under it as well, and go gentle as you go across it, because you can really hurt it if you don't. But yeah, here's kind of some of the placement, maybe every 6 to 8 inches along there. The biggest clip is down here. This one will take a little wiggling. So if you work from here down to the edge and then just wiggle it off, that's the best that I've found. Now this other piece, I originally started trying to pry from here and twist it up, which is very difficult, but the instructions I found on E30 Zone, thank you E30 Zone, is starting here. And you just, if I can show you here, all you need to do is take a cloth with your screwdriver, your flat blade, or some sort of soft pry bar, and just work it out just a little bit. And as you pry, this will just pop off, and slowly you'll work your way up, and then you'll just twist this and you'll see that it starts to just pop off of the edge. You can just work your way along it, just very gently. You don't want to twist this thing up, so just work very gently across that. I can even give you a little example. If we grab this and my cloth. Sorry, doing this one-handed while filming is always fun. Just gonna pop the door open just a little bit to give you a better look. But right here, you're just gonna start right here. And for ease of everything, literally doing this one-handed is fun. Just put that right here and then just gently pry off, just like that. And you'll see it just start to form a gap, and you can work your way up just ever so slightly. Don't go too crazy, but just slowly start working your way off, just gently like this, and it will slowly start to come off. And you can actually just grab with your hands and start pulling it too, just gently, but that's really the way to do it. And you just work your way up. Once you get to the top, you can kind of twist it off, just like that, because it locks in. If I can show you this profile, it has a channel right here that locks under, so you need to twist it off, if that makes sense. So once this comes up, you kind of get it flat and then just take it off. But that's about as straightforward as I could come up with for an answer for you guys. I know I'm not the only one that struggled with this, and hopefully many people with E30s in the future will keep them on the road and restore them, and maybe this video will help some of you. So good luck on getting this off. Just be gentle with it and it'll come straight off. So thanks.